Hey, it's Kim at Geranium Lake Flowers and welcome to our YouTube channel. Yay! As always, I'd love to thank Greeleaf Wholesale for making us look good every day. And guess what, you guys? It's almost Halloween. I'm so excited. I got the orange jacket. Today, we're gonna make a spooky skeleton arrangement. I know, we're gonna use some fresh flowers and some dried flowers. We have all sorts of dried roses and cool stuff, and I can't wait to get started. So first thing, you're gonna find a skeleton. This one kind of talks, but we found this off of Amazon. I think it was pretty inexpensive. We spray painted it black, and then we sponge painted it white, and then cream over that, or kind of an ivory color. So it looks kind of distressed and kind of cool. You love it, right? And then I'm gonna put this little pedestal vase, I'm gonna take off his little pedestal and put him in the skull and put his little pedestal back on. And then I'm gonna tape it to the back so he stays up. Got that? It's pretty easy, really. So then we can put our material there. So it's kind of all the rage not to use Oasis. So we're using these little pillows. And they're kind of just like a frog, and we're just gonna set it right here. And then again, I'm gonna take some tape and tape it here so it doesn't fall out. So I did forget water, to be super honest, but half of this stuff is dry. So you're gonna use this Oasis tape. Do you guys know what this is? It's like a plastic, really sticky, waterproof tape. It's awesome. You can get it at any wholesaler. And then I kind of want to make sure I don't see my mechanics, so I'm gonna put it down here. Okay, so let's get started with our plant material. It's gonna be so spooky. So I think I'll start with this amaranth. You know, dried flowers are all the rage, and this stuff is so good because it kind of looks like hair, right? So we're gonna stick him down in these holes and stick him all the way, and it makes it super secure. And yeah, I love it so much. And it kind of looks like hair, right? This is called, the common name is Love Lies Bleeding Over the Garden Gate. Kind of heavy, right? Like, okay, perfect. It's a really nice flower in the garden, especially when it's fresh, because it does drape and, you know, cascade like that. So again, at our YouTube channel, we make everything easy for you. I need some hydrangea. This is something else from the garden that dried really beautifully. And like I said, this arrangement's gonna have half dried, half fresh. Oh my God, this color's so cool. Is it spooky? It kind of is spooky, right? So I'm probably gonna cluster these in a big grouping. So dried flowers are so cool. They're so popular and trendy. I have some fresh material. I have some dahlias, some chocolate cosmos. I think I need to build out his hair just a little bit. I'm not sure why he's a he, but I don't know. It's looking really cute. I love it. Okay, do you guys know this flower? It's so pretty. It's a nice kind of late summer fall. Chocolate cosmos. Literally, it smells like chocolate. I know, delicious. It's like dieting, right? You don't have to eat the chocolate. So I'm just gonna put a little fresh material in here just because it'll make it stand out. Okay, so now we're just gonna add some deep jewel tones to make it kind of like a little bit more vibrant. We were talking about earlier yesterday about getting some dry ice, because another cool thing is you could put dry ice underneath here and have the whole thing kind of steam, right? It would be so cool. I got these things from these giant succulents that I have, and they're like the sprouts, and they're really super hardy. They're that beautiful succulent. I never know what this color is. Is it pink? Is it celadon? It's so cool. But really what I'm trying to go for in this arrangement is a variety of textures. Oh, we need some bear grass. So this is dried bear grass. I'm gonna keep it in a big clump. And she's gonna have some hair. She turned into a girl just now. Not sure why. Maybe it's the bear grass. Not sure. And then back here, it's looking good. I think I got some of this stuff. It's not exactly the right color because we're doing super dark, but I don't know. We can see what that might add a little dimension. What do you think? Oh, Caesar, did you hear that, you guys? He thinks it looks like a feather in a cap. Yeah, yeah. So again, we're gonna fill it up with these, I don't know, what would you call these? Dark raspberry dahlias. These are also from my yard. This whole thing is literally really inexpensive because of the dried flowers, kind of the last of the stuff from my garden. So if the fresh material dies, then you can just replace it super easy. Does she need bangs? I don't know. I don't know why she turned into a girl, but she might need some bangs. Maybe another chocolate Cosmo around her face. And then let's try to see if we like some bangs. If I can reach in there. Yeah, I can. So we can kind of do a, I don't know, or we could also do this and kind of go around. We want to get the hair out of her face. Yeah, I think I might just clip it. What do you think? Does that look better? Yeah, I think it's done. Okay, thank you so much, you guys, and you know what to do, right? Subscribe, follow, press the alert button, and share with all your friends. And if you need to order anything, our website is linked below. I love you guys. Bye.